Hey all, just doing another review. Started to review things. It's a bit easier to review. You get more responses. And if you have a problem, believe it or not, do a review and someone will get in contact. Trying to speak to a human sometimes extremely difficult. So anyway, I went home base, purchased this, the Sovereign Easy Gardening 2,600 watt electric blower vac. Cost me $39.99. Box is relatively small. It's kind of my foot. I've only got a small foot. I'm a little size 7. Relatively small box, considering it turns into this big beast over here. There's others out there. They were like £100, 80 quid. There was a cheaper model that was £5 cheaper. Didn't go for it. So purchased this. Was hoping it would be good. And I'll be honest with you, I think it's fantastic. So despite coming in a small box, you get 3 screws, okay, and they're on the joins. So one there, 2, and the third one up the top. That's it. You just need a normal screwdriver. There's nothing more to it. Then you get a lovely long cable. So it does recommend you need an extension lead. That cable is pretty long, depending on the size of your garden. I have to use an extension lead. You'll see in a moment our garden's quite large. And this is the bag. It's very big. Comes with a zip on the bottom, so you can just undo the zip and let it all come out. I found it to be lightweight. It has a strap as well. There's the strap, so you can put it over your shoulder, so when you're just walking around not doing it. And as I say, it blows and vacs. Now, I bought this because, as I said in the previous video, we've moved to a new house just under a year ago. Last year, I used the rake, and it took me forever. This at the moment is making me a happy person right now. So let me just show you our garden. So this is our garden. It's pretty big, as you can see. I've had a go with the blower yesterday. You will be able to see leaves because I had my first attempt at it, and obviously I hadn't touched anything prior to this. It went all the way around here, and the garden collects leaves everywhere, mainly because so all this is looking pretty good, mainly because we are surrounded by trees. Now you might be thinking, well, it hasn't got all of them. That could be me, sort of half effort, or not being a bit of a noob, not knowing really what I'm doing. But let me just show you what it did look like. So there's areas that I haven't touched in my garden, and now you'll see the difference. So this looks amazing compared to, look at all this. This is just a bed of leaves. I did not touch in here at all, so you can see how many we got. And then I'll show you down here. I didn't go down there. You can see how many leaves we get. And then this probably is a better picture. That is an area I definitely did not touch. So this is what, this bit here is what our garden did look like, most of our lawn looked like, until yesterday. And I spent probably about half an hour out here to get to that sort of stage. So far, top product, £39, saved me hours compared to raking it.